State's Healthcare Foundation (AHF), in partnership with Keffi Local Government Nasarawa State, has sensitized the public and students on need to end shame and stigma on menstruation. Dr. Iman Wabweze, Medical Director AHF Nigeria, said that the foundation was creating awareness to end stigma around menstruation while ensuring young women and girls had access to menstrual pads.
We want to use this opportunity to come to Keffi Local Government to educate the women, female child, males, everybody of the issue around menstrual stigma. Some of our young girls miss school because they are on their menstrual period. Some of them do not go to school because their parents will not be able to give them money. Some of them cannot even open up their mind to tell the parents about what is happening to them. So with our advocacy today, we are telling people that menstruation is clean. Menstruation is clean and not dirty.
Dr. Ibrahim Bichi, State Clinical Coordinator, AHF Nasarawa, said that menstruation was a normal psychological process that occurs in adolescent girls and young women.
Our young girls, especially in school and out school children, they need education on menstruation because there's a lot of stigma attached with it. Many people need to know that menstruation is a normal cycle for its productive stage of a woman. Okay, so the young girls need to understand this knowledge. The men also need to understand this knowledge. Both parents have to understand this knowledge. When is it coming, and when it comes, what are they supposed to do? And so all this stigma should be go apart, and especially with the hygienic part. Especially with the hygienic part, because you will see it is one of the sources of infection. Genitourinary tract infection on young girls usually commence from the toilet and usually commence from the menses.
Executive Chairman, Keffi Local Government, represented by the Secretary, Keffi Local Government, Mr. Muhammad Adamu, applauded the Foundation for choosing Keffi Local Government as one of its beneficiaries for the program.
It is a thing of joy to see that we are a beneficiary directly, and AHF have done marvelously well. This is a silent area, and when we have every reason to praise God on this note, I've assured them that on behalf of Keffi Local Government, we'll do the best we can towards getting the needful. The needful here, I mean funds, so that we could get these things done, having trained our own. To that effect, we can reach the sanitary pads bank towards getting it for our girl child.
Also, Mrs. Aisha Basha, Supervisory Councillor, Women Affairs, Keffi Local Government, said the ministry was saddled with the responsibility of educating young women and girls on menstrual health and management.
Most of our children are shy, especially when they are growing. They don't want to discuss the menstrual issue with their parents. They always hide things. So by our sensitization, they are improving. We are educating them very well.
Ms. Gift Ibe, a participant and student of Ekwa Government Junior Secondary School, Keffi, expressed her appreciation to the organizations for the Enlightenment program.
I learned that when it's in my menstrual period, I should keep my body clean. I should always take my beds and change my pad. I love the program. They are lovely, they are kind, and we are very grateful.
Highlights of the event include distribution of free menstrual pads to students and display of cultural dance, among other activities. The Menstrual Hygiene Day is celebrated annually on May 28, 2023 global theme, End the Stigma on Periods.